That's good. DSS officers behind the rumor that Nnamdi Kanu escaped from prison captured. Lawyer press charges, demands for the arrest. Now, so all of them made them detain them, made them arrest them. They are corporates. They are the same birds on the same feathers. I no mind. Now, so Nnamdi Kanu must be vindicated. He must be vindicated. Let's check the content. This is today's news. Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, the lead counsel of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, has rubbished those who actually took to the hills, criticizing that Nnamdi Kanu escaped from prison. A report by Daily Post quoted Ejimakor pressing fresh charges against the DSS officers for rumoring and letting the information go round that the IPOB leader has escaped prison. Ejimakor said that these men must rot in jail for making such a statement. Online reports News Express revealed that Ejimakor has headed to the court for immediate fresh charges, saying that Nnamdi Kanu has been abused and also accused. This has been their plan each time they see that the IPOB leader is due to be free. This will not happen. He will take this to the latter and know who actually funded this. Thank you so much for listening to this news. Ejimakor, you are doing it right. Someone funded this. Someone paid for it. Someone actually did this so that it will look as if Nnamdi Kanu want to run out of prison, so that Tinubu will begin to change his mind and never want to help Nnamdi Kanu out of detention. I love this very move. All of them, they will be exposed one by one. One by one, they will be exposed, and they don't already be exposed, if you ask me. You understand? Yeah, already. Let us quickly, as a matter of fact, let us hear from you, and then let us know what your opinions and also what your take about this actually is. It is a pleasure. Thank you so much for giving us your listening ear. It's been awesome and also very wonderful. Nnamdi Kanu is getting his vindication. As he's getting his vindication, IPOB is also getting their vindication. What can be more interesting than this? Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay? Alright, my people, don't forget to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.